Hello everyone, and welcome to break 3976 for the 2020 Panini Immaculate Collegiate Football Collection. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break, and all of you watching. We do appreciate it. Let's go ahead and check out the current date and time according to eBay. It's Monday, December 14th, 2020. It's 10:33 p.m. Eastern Time, 9:33 p.m. Central Time, and 7:33 p.m. Pacific Time. In the break, we have Seda 2 spots, Terry 10, Corey 2, Dom 4, Mark 1, Jazz 1, C. Walker 1, BS 1, Hut with 2, Bombers 1, Gross 1, Chris 1, MVB with 2, Everyday 1, CM 1, and KA with 1 spot. So let's randomize everyone 7 times to determine our team or teams for the break. Once, twice, 3 times, 4, 5, 6, and lucky number 7 has Terry on top, CM on the bottom. Terry with the Cardinals, MVB Falcons, Terry Ravens, Dom Bills, Jazz Panthers, Terry Bears, Gross with the Bengals, KA with the Browns, Dom Cowboys, Corey Broncos, Terry Lions Packers, Chris with the Texans, Bombers Colts, Sato with the Jaguars, Mark with the Chiefs, BS with the Raiders, Hut with the Chargers, Terry Rams, Seda Dolphins, Corey Vikings, Hut with the Patriots, Terry Saints, C. Walker Giants, Everyday Jets, Terry Eagles, MVB Steelers, Dom 49ers, Terry Seahawks, Dom Buccaneers, Terry Titans, and last but not least, CM with Washington. Alrighty, good luck everybody. We're all sealed up. We'll look up each card to see who they are currently playing for. Got the Browns and Ravens on right now. Pretty good so far. Sealed up. Empty. Left. Right. Empty, empty. All right, good luck, everybody. Start off with a jumbo jersey. AJ Brown, 36 out of 99. The Rebels. Player worn used material. And we have rookie Mizzou jersey auto, 6 out of 99 of Albert Okum. I'll butcher that last name. Player used worn material. So again, we'll go through the box and then go back and confirm each NFL team. Justin Jefferson, 20 out of 23. Very nice. Then we have number 1 out of 25, James Morgan. 1 out of 25. We have a tag auto, 4 out of 5 of Isaiah Simmons for Clemson. Very nice. If you're wondering what that sound was, my elbow just knocked a puck off the table. Sorry about that. Jacob Eason, jersey auto. There we go. 57 out of 99. And last but not least, what a game he had yesterday. Jalen Hurts, jersey auto, 41 out of 99. Very nice. He's a gamer. All right, sweet. Let's go back through and see who is getting what. Let's start with Jacob Eason. Indianapolis Colts. Bombers TI, congrats. Anything that sells out while we're live, we do break the same night. Isaiah Simmons, 4 out of 5 tag auto. Arizona Cardinals, Terry B, congrats. James Morgan, 1 out of 25. New York Jets, everyday shirts, congrats. Albert, Denver Broncos, going to Corey Hutch, 42, congrats. We have A.J. Brown. Big game yesterday. A.J. Brown. Tennessee Titans, Terry B. Congrats. Jalen Hurts, 41 out of 99, jersey auto. Jalen Hurts, Philadelphia Eagles, big win yesterday. Terry B, congrats over the Saints. And last but not least, we have Justin Jefferson, 20 out of 23, memorabilia. Justin Jefferson. Minnesota Vikings, Corey Hutch, 42. Congrats. And that was break 3976 for the 2020 Panini Immaculate Collegiate Football Collection. We want to thank everyone for getting in the break. And all of you watching, we do appreciate it. Don't forget to hit that red subscribe button right next to your right thumb. And real quick, when we do hit 2,000 subscribers on YouTube, we're giving away a full-size autograph football helmet. You'll find us on eBay and on social media at P2J Sports Cards. We hope to see you all very soon. Stick around for the bonus break spot, and then up next is $39.90 for the 2020 Panini XR football card box. Thanks.